How to propagate a tree or bush from cuttings. Next, get your cuttings together. Usually 4 or more is the best way to go. The more, the better odds of having a good crop coming out, because a lot of them are going to die and some of them are going to live. So these are bushes, this is trees. Let's show you how to prep them. Here are the tools I use: a trimmer, a little cutter trimmer, and a carrot peeler. Using tree or bushes that are indigenous to your area or on your property, go ahead and use your cuttings. Remove with your cutters as much of the leaves all the way to the top possibly, and leave just a little bit of foliage on the top, your bush or tree. And don't cut it too close to the stalk. Let them stick out. And then take your carrot peeler and do about 3 to 4 inches on the bottom, scrape it off, and then you're gonna push them into the ground. Now take your prepped cutting and push it deep into the ground. There we go. And make sure you keep it nice and moist and a little bit deep in the ground so it catches water and stays moist. Water it once a day, and you'll either survive and have a nice tree, or like this one, it'll die. But some of them, the leaves will fall off because they go into shock, and you can check them by scraping it with your thumb. And if you still see green, you're okay. So check it out, give it a try, folks. The more the merrier you use, the better it works. So try this method. Propagate your trees and your bushes, any of them that grow on your land or near it. Have a blessed day.